Welcome to creating a no-code referral marketing program. So what this program does is essentially when someone signs up to our newsletter or our application, we want to give them an easy way to refer other people and then get, prizes or whatever. So let me walk you through what I've built, and in the next videos, I'll show you how to do it. So let's say I have my newsletter and I want someone to, when they sign up, to get a specific page where they can have their referral links and have a link that they can share with everyone to refer other people. So let's say I sign up as acornplusfirst@gmail.com and click subscribe. What I'm going to receive is an email telling me those two things. So this is my referral link right here, and then I have my referral page. So if you first go to the referral page, this is my personalized referral page, and I got my referral link here again. I can copy paste it to my clipboard, or I can email a friend and give them that link as well. So you see I've pre-filled the email and I have my referral link. So if we go to this referral link right here, it looks exactly like the other one. The only difference is this ref parameter at the top. And let's say I subscribe as someone who's been referred. What's going to happen is I'm also going to receive an email saying one of my friends has just signed up to the newsletter. And then how this looks in the back end is we have Airtable managing who's subscribed and who's referred whom. And so all of this is managed with a 10-step Zap, which I'll show you in the next video. All right, so part one of no-code referral marketing program